Press the emergency power switch to activate the touchscreen and access the boot interface. Then press the Power On button to enter the Free Mode interface. Simply click on the menu mode icon. Select a recipe from the list to enter the cooking interface. By pressing on the Eco Mode button, you can activate the Eco Mode. This feature maintains the cavity temperature at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, halts the movement of the conveyor belt, and dims the touchscreen to conserve power during periods of inactivity. If the temperature is not displayed on the right side of the temperature icon, press Preheating Status to view the live temperature reading for 5 seconds. To shut down the oven, press and hold the shutdown button for 3 seconds. If the temperature is above 195 degrees Fahrenheit, the oven will automatically enter cool down mode and shut down once the cool down process is complete. Do not use the emergency power switch to turn off the unit during the automatic cool down process, as it may cause high temperature damage to the unit.